Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to go out and I just washed my hair and I'm about to do a quick wash and go with some products from the new Fenty hairline. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys so I can do a quick review and tutorial. So don't mind me if I'm talking fast. I'm about to get ready to go out and I am running behind, but I just had to do this video for you guys while I'm out the door. So I picked up the Fenty Hair, the Home Curl Defining Cream. And I also picked up the Controlling Type Hair Thickening Edge Control Gel. And I'm going to do a quick, well, it's going to be a one product wash and go with the curl cream. And I'm going to see if that edge control actually lays these 4C edges. And I'm going for some big curls because I don't have enough time. I don't have a lot of time. Let me stop rambling and talking so fast and slow down. But I don't have a lot of time. So let me get right to it, y'all. So I parted my hair into sections to make it easier to style. And I'm going to spray the sides with some water to make sure it's extra wet for styling. And I'm about to apply some of this curl defining cream. So let's go ahead and open it up. And it has a little seal in there. And I'm going to take that off. And let's see what this smells like. So it smells a little sweet, kind of floral-like. Honestly, the smell is kind of strong. I don't really like products with very strong scents, but hopefully it will wear down. It does smell pleasant. It's just a little on the strong side. And the consistency, it's a cream, but it is like silky in texture, maybe a little jelly-like too. But I'm going to take a generous enough amount, maybe a little bit more, and rub that in the palm of my hands and on the sides of my hair. And it does feel pretty moisturizing. That's not what I'm concerned about, though. It's the hold that I'm concerned about. It does say that it's supposed to have a slight hold without crunch, but we shall see. So I'm going to take my little curl sponge to give my sides and back some definition because they're on the short side, and that's the best way for me to style those sections right now. And I'm going to get ready style the top of the sides that's still a little too short to use my special trusty 3-row comb. So I'm going to put a little bit of extra product on these longer areas. And I'm going to take a rat tail comb to just split and define that. And let's see what kind of definition I get. It's all right. We'll see how it does with the longer areas. But it's just all right on these areas. It does feel moisturizing. And it is giving me some definition. I don't have an opinion yet, y'all, but stay tuned. Okay, so I finished styling the perimeter and it's defined enough. It is defining my coils, and let me hit this area real quick again. It does feel moisturized. It's a tiny bit sticky. Not really sticky, tacky, which is not a bad thing. I don't think it's going to be like sticky where it attracts dust or anything, but so far I'm liking it. Like, it doesn't feel heavy. It feels very light on the hair, and it is giving me some definition. So let's see what it does for my longer areas. And I'm going to wet this really good. and detangle it before applying a generous amount of that curl cream. So that's how much I'm going to apply for starters, and we'll see if that is enough. And I'm just using my fingers to rake it through. It actually feels really good on my hair, but I'm going to need some more. My hair is extremely thick. Although it's short, it's still very thick, so I need to use a lot of product. But it is giving me some definition, and my hair feels very silky. Just going to take my rat tail comb to hit this section really quick. Actually, I could use my 3-row comb. That section is shorter than the rest of the top, but longer than the sides, but it's long enough to hit it with my 3-row comb. And let's see what that does. Okay, well, let's hit these longer sections, y'all, and see what it does. Now, my edges are a different texture than the rest of my hair, so I always go in and shingle them so that I can get the definition that I want. So let me do that, and I'm going to make them a little bigger since I'm going for larger curls today. And so far, so good, y'all. One thing I can really say, and I did say it already, but it is making my hair feel extremely moisturizing. The description does say shiny, defined, moisturized curls that stands up to humidity. And we're experiencing a heat wave up here in the Albany area right now with extreme humidity. So we will see how my hair holds up. But I just want to see how it's going to look overall when I finish styling it. I'm going to add a little more water to that section because I feel that it needs it. And did y'all see Rihanna's hair at the Fenty hair launch party? I know we don't have the same hair type, but that's the kind of curl definition I'm hoping to achieve because she did say that this is what she used to style her hair. So I'm trying to see if I get the same kind of definition as Rihanna. So far, it's looking real good, y'all. Okay, well, this is the definition I have so far. So I'm going to go ahead and finish styling my hair before I diffuse it and see what it looks like when it dries. Okay, y'all, so I finished styling my hair. My hair is very moisturized and defined. My curls aren't as juicy as I like them to be. However, they do look good. They feel super silky. As you can see, they are really defined. Try to show y'all the back. But yeah, it's looking good so far. So I'm going to go in with the Controlling Type Hair Thickening Edge Control Gel. And I already took the little lid off. That's what it looks like in a jar. And I'm going to use my little Dollar Tree edge control brush. And my edges are very thin in the temple areas. It's hereditary, and as I get older, they're getting a little thinner. So I don't put too much extra stress on my edges, but I do like them to lay a little bit. Like, I'm not trying to have extreme baby hairs because that's not my style anymore, but I like them to lay a little bit. So I'm going to take the brush and just gently rub it in the edge control. And I think I took a little too much. Let me take some off the brush. And I'm going to take the brush and try to brush down my edges. Okay. That's looking good. That feels good. And this edge control gel is not only supposed to lay your edges, but it's supposed to have thickening agents that thicken your edges up and help them grow. So I'm hoping to see those effects, but so far it's laying down my little edges. I like it. No complaints. We'll see how it lasts and what it look like by the time I go out and come home. But so far, so good. I'm liking the way that looks. Yeah, y'all. Look. Don't y'all be laughing at my little thin edges now, but they laid. So I'm going to hit my hair with the diffuser real quick and see what it looks like all dried up. So stay tuned. And what I also do to lift my curls and fluff it out sometimes is to hit it with the blow dryer without the diffuser and to just blow the curls around. And I'm going to do that right now. It also dries it a little bit more quickly. Okay, y'all, so I can't dry my hair completely because I really have to go. I'm going to have to let it air dry the rest of the way, but I do like the way my hair came out. I'll probably have a better opinion on it when it's completely dry. I don't absolutely love it. My hair enjoys gels more than it does creams. And although this cream has a gel-like consistency with gel added, I really wish that Fenty here had added a styling gel. They have an edge control gel and then a styling gel, which is a hard gel for like forming the hair into a ponytail and whatnot, but not a styling gel for like styling your curls. So I'm hoping in the future that we'll get a styling gel. For now, I'll have to do with the cream, but I really did get some good definition. It just, at first it felt light, but my hair feels a little heavy. I'm hoping it feels better when it dries, and let's hope it doesn't have a white cast, but that's it. I'd say good for these products, not exactly great. That edge control seems to be holding so far, but I like it. Way to go, Rihanna. I'm looking for more. I'll be on the lookout for some more. Maybe I'll try the shampoo and conditioner, but let me know if you guys have tried the Fenty hair products, and if you haven't, if you're going to try it. And I will see you guys next time.